So we're gonna take a bunch of mango, a little bit of banana, and we're gonna make this sunny smoothie bowl to start your day off right.
Making sure to keep the frozen to fresh to liquid ratio in balance for a super thick frozen puree is the trick to a satisfying smoothie bowl. For this recipe, which makes 1 large or 2 small servings, a full-size blender or a food processor works really well. For smaller servings, a smoothie cup is the best option. The frozen mango, banana, and pineapple juice all go in the blender at the same time. I find that the blender requires several starts and stops to scrape down the sides or use a tamper to keep everything in contact with the blades. The smooth and thick results are deliciously beautiful. If you have a food processor, with this quantity of frozen fruit, it does the job a bit faster and with little or no start and stop. And you still get a super thick and smooth result. Once the smoothie base is in the bowl, top with granola, shredded coconut, diced kiwi, and blueberries for a mix of flavors and textures. And then you're ready to dig in.
And if you want to mix things up a little bit and start your day with a protein-packed smoothie bowl, we've got a delicious solution for that too.
And you can get 23 grams in this berry protein smoothie bowl. I used frozen mixed berries, banana, and plain Greek yogurt. Everything in the food processor all at once, and about 2 minutes later, a creamy purple puree is in the bowl. Topped with chia seeds, fresh raspberries, a drizzle of peanut butter, and chopped pistachios for a little extra crunch and some salt. You'll think you're having dessert for breakfast.
And what my family really loves about these smoothie bowls is that there's a ton of variety. Really, it's endless. You can change up the fruit any way you'd like, the toppings as well. Just try to keep the ratios about the same so you get that nice consistency.
You can find the recipes for the Sunny Smoothie Bowl and the Berry Protein Smoothie Bowl at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.